NGINX as a service for Azure is an ecosystem partner offering designed jointly by F5 and Microsoft to improve performance, availability, scalability, visibility, and security of app delivery in Azure. This enterprise-class, container-friendly solution is designed for IT professionals managing apps and APIs in hybrid or public clouds. It simplifies complex scenarios like multi-cluster Kubernetes load balancing and failover, ultimately improving user experiences through increased uptime, enhanced security, and better insights into app performance. Let's take a look at how to deploy NGINX as a service on Azure with just a few clicks. Start by signing into your Microsoft Azure account and navigating to the Marketplace. Use the search function to find NGINX as a service, and then select the NGINX as a Service Azure Native ISV service. Choose the standard option and proceed with the subscription. Then, create a new resource group or select an existing one. For this demo, let's create a new resource group called NGINX. Assign a name to your instance. For this demo, we will use the name Demo Azure and select your preferred region. Next, select the pricing plan for your deployment. There are 3 options available, with the standard V2 plan being ideal for enterprise workloads. Let's go ahead and choose the standard V2 plan. Our partnership with Azure has simplified the deployment and scaling of NGINX, providing a seamless experience that includes both manual and auto-scaling options. For this demo, we will select the auto-scale option. Continue by creating a new virtual network with a subnet or choosing an existing one. You can select the type of IP address, either public IP for enabling external access to NGINX or a private IP address. If you choose a public IP, you can create a new one or select from an existing one. The NGINX as a service deployment includes a default configuration. You can either use this default or provide your own NGINX configuration. After configuring all necessary settings, click on Review plus Create. Take a moment to carefully review all configurations, and then click Create to deploy NGINX as a service. Expect this process to take approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Once the deployment is complete, you will have NGINX as a service on Azure up and running. To confirm that the deployment is functioning correctly, copy the associated public IP address and open a new web browser to test the service. This will help ensure everything is working as intended. By following these steps, you can successfully deploy and verify NGINX as a service on Azure, ensuring a robust setup for your application needs. Thanks for watching this demo.